Well, here's a bit of good news as well. You know, the Latino Corporate Directors Association says they saw double the demand last year for help with board searches. Luis Marconi was one of the candidates that they recommended, and he landed a seat on American Outdoor Brands in June after 25 years at Hormel. The outdoor firm has seen its customer base become increasingly diverse, and so they sought out the avid fisherman and diver in part because of his expertise growing brands in the Latino and South American markets.
This is where you draw from the experiences of being exposed to business cases in different geographies or in different cultures that will trigger some ideas that perhaps your competitors are not seeing.
The push for more representation on boards has resulted in nearly 1 in 4 directors on S&P 500 boards being of racial or ethnic, a racial or ethnically diverse group. Yet, while Hispanics now make up 5% of S&P board members, that's a new high, that representation is disproportionately lower compared to its population size.
All diversity gains are important and significant, and we need more of it. But Latinos from all of the perspectives have still been the least tapped when you look at who are the new directors being appointed.
Luis Marconi's seat on American Outdoor Brands board actually stands out, Brian, because when you look at the Russell 3000, only about 1 in 3 actually has a Hispanic board member. So there is a lot of room to grow there.
Any great team, any great company, any great organization needs a pipeline. If you don't, you can have some great stars, but if you don't have a good young bench, you're going to end up like the Red Sox this year, Bertha. So what is this board pipeline? Because we do tend to see a lot of the same people in the same jobs.
Exactly. So, I mean, for Luis, for example, he was vice president at Hormel. He didn't really have a team to be able to go serve on a corporate board at that time because his job was all consuming. Now he's retired. He can do that. One of the things is that you're looking at groups like the Latino Corporate Directors Association, the Hispanic Association of Corporate Responsibility. They are trying to help these up-and-coming executives to help them climb the ladder to get to those senior positions and then to be more in a position to be tapped to be on a board. Because at the moment, you only have 3 to 4% Hispanic
Which
CEOs
Hispanics are like 20% of the American population, exactly. So that proportion seems a little bit off.
Exactly. So there's a big room to grow, but it really is about helping develop this next generation.
There you go. Bertha Coombs. Important story. Bertha, thank you very much.